Jalup Jatend Piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua owacho ni sirikal dhi chwalo chenro mar jiwo joket mwandu mondo miyo okony oganda masani midhiero mar oro okwako. Gachagua ma oloso koyawo show ma Mombasa owacho ni gidhi yawo chenro no e giko odirani kendo gibiro jiwo oganda mondo miyo sir joma nigi kech.
Tuko na shida kubwa sana ya kiangazi. Ningetaka kuchukua nafasi hii kuuliza Wakenya wote pahali walipo, tukianzia with our development partners, the private sector, the county government, individual businessmen, we are making an appeal for you to contribute food and resources so that we can feed Kenyans who are suffering. This Saturday, His Excellency the President will lead the government in an awareness program of appealing for food and resources. He'll be the counties of Turkana and Samburu to distribute food and to make that appeal. And the rest of us will be all over the country making the same appeal so that no Kenyan can die from hunger, no Kenyan can suffer when other Kenyans have some surplus, so that all of us can take care of our brothers and sisters.